So last week, Monica and I made these two videos here, and we want to talk a little bit about how we did that, because this is actually a question we get a lot this time of year, is how can I make my slides have audio throughout the entire thing as you're making presentations to your students or your school or your community? So what you need to do is you need to make your slideshow, boom. You need to go find audio that you would like to use and are allowed to use, and we're going to talk about that here in a little bit. And then you need to upload that audio to your Google Drive. So Google has this insert audio feature here. Once that's in your Google Drive as an audio file, you can simply click on insert audio and your audio files will pop up here. It's being a little bit slow on me, so I'll just show you what this looks like over here. Once you insert audio, you get this icon here, and when you click on it, it'll play. But you also have these format options. So this is the way Monica and I set up ours. We set it to automatically start playing when we present our screen. We hide the icon when it's presenting. That way, when it's on stage, when it's on the screen, you can't see this big ugly icon. Monica set hers to loop, so it would start over. I did not. And then we unclicked stop on slide change. That way it would just keep playing when you go to the next slide that doesn't have the audio inserted onto it. Then we went to File, Publish to the Web, start the slide as soon as the player loads, copy, and then we changed this number back here. This is the time per slide in milliseconds. We changed that to 10 seconds per slide. We hit enter, we recorded our screens, and that was the video that you got and was sent out to you. Now, let's talk a little bit about what you're allowed to use in terms of audio, because we need to be careful of copyright. So Monica used some open source music, some copyright-free music, which we'll talk about, and I did not. Mine were songs that you've probably heard before. So that is actually okay that I did that, and you will see that here a little bit. Went and looked up the rules around this. So you'll notice that when I go to this video on my YouTube channel, it has a copyright claim on it. But if I click on the details, you'll just see that I can't monetize it. In the description of the video, I gave credit to the original artists, but notice that my channel is not impacted in any way for using this for using this audio. I do have these different options here of where I can take that out, or I can dispute it if I feel like I have ownership over that music, but I don't, and that's okay. It is actually honestly up to the artist whether or not they want to shut the video down. In Monica, she used the audio library here in YouTube, which is all of this copyright-free open source music that people have uploaded, and you can simply download that right here and then upload that to your Google Drive and use that as your audio file. Slam.
People with a 6 gun.